It's not always easy to do what's not popular, but that's where you make your money. Buy stocks that look bad to less careful investors and hang on until their real value is recognized. The baskets start at $25 and the sky's the limit. I've done baskets worth hundreds of dollars. At that price, they are putting in luxury items. Brand name growth stocks ordinarily command the highest ratios. Rise in prices beget attention, and vice versa, but only to a point. Eventually, their growth rate can diminish as results revert towards normal. Maybe not in all cases, but often enough to make a long-term bet. Bottom line, I wouldn't want to get caught in a rush for the exit, much less get left behind. Only when big growth stocks fall into the dumper from time to time am I inclined to pick them up, and even then, only in moderation. An awful lot of people keep a stock too long because it gives them warm fuzzies, particularly when a contrarian stance has been vindicated. If they sell it, they lose bragging rights. I don't dread, much less follow, the valuations or predictions. I study the numbers. Buy on the cannons and sell on the trumpets. I don't want a lot of good investments. I want a few outstanding ones. Successful stocks don't tell you when to sell. When you feel like bragging, it's probably time to sell. I've never bought a stock unless, in my view, it was on sale. If you buy stocks when they are out of favor and unloved, and sell them into strength when other investors recognize their merits, you'll often go home with handsome gains. Never say never in the wonderful world of stock market fluctuations. Long-term investment strategies need not rest on a few very risky glamour stocks. The market has good days and bad days, good years and bad years. You can't predict them, and they can reverse course with stunning speed. But you can learn to cope with them and improve your odds. Eventually, good stocks of good companies with solid earnings and low price-earnings ratios receive the attention they deserve. With patience, luck, and sound judgment, you keep moving forward. That's the nature of the investment game. Investment success does not require glamour stocks or bull markets. Judgment and fortitude were our prerequisites. Judgment singles out opportunities. Fortitude enables you to live with them while the rest of the world scrambles in another direction. Most investors are great at extending straight lines. They have every confidence, or at least a dogged hope, that a hot stock or industry or mutual fund will continue on the same trajectory. Expecting more of the same invariably fuels adrenaline markets that culminate in disappointment when enthusiasm wanes. Where there is panic, there is also opportunity. No solitary measure or pair of measures should govern a decision to buy a stock. You need to probe a whole raft of numbers and facts, searching for confirmation or contradiction. Patience was a virtue. I attribute success not to genius or blinding insights, but to a frugal nature and lessons well learned.